When was the last time you really take care of yourself? When was the time you set part of time away to really take care of yourself, to really do those activities that really rejuvenate yourself and your mind? When was the last time you really like did something to please you, just you, no one else, husband, child, no one else, but just you? When was the last time? Today I want to talk about self-care. Do you know many people, I remember like I asked a question on my Facebook and I asked people, what are you going to do today, okay, to take care of yourself? And I went around the office and asked, what are you going to do today to take care of yourself? Do you know that people would ask me, stop it, what Bricia? No one never asked me that question. Well, that's Bricia Mayembo, your lifestyle and mindset coach. I'm the mind shift queen, and I help you really recover and recreate that harmony that is missing yourself. I help you transform, okay, your life, okay, by renewing your mind. That's what I do, mind shift. So do you know that many people who do not take care of themselves suffer from trauma, suffer from stress, suffer from all the everything that they have, those trauma. It's so dangerous, it's so crucial that you do take care of yourself. Remember, when you get in a pain, they say put on your oxygen mask first, then you can go around. If you have a kid, if you have a husband, or whatever, then you fix them, but you need to put on your oxygen mask first. If you never done that, if you keep on spend your life always taking care of other people, it is time. I'm inviting you this whole week, this whole month, the rest of the year, to set a time apart to take care of yourself, to do things that you like to do. What I do, for example, to take care of me, I set up a time. I love to work out, so when I work out, is my time. I like to go to the dance, okay. I like to go to the gym. I do what makes me. I like yoga. I like to go on walks, and it will say that even Marquez speak about it on one of his podcasts, the benefit of really rejuvenated and really do. A lot of people do something, they got a hobby that makes you happy. He does golf, and a lot of people do things. Oprah likes to cook. Oprah likes, to read. Oprah likes to garden. Teresa Fair, what does she do? She likes, she also likes to work out. She likes to motivate people. Do something that makes you good just for yourself. It's not about other people. It's all about you. You have to learn to satisfy yourself first before you can satisfy everybody. What do? We live because we want to make other people happy. We live because we want to make everything for our kids, which is not bad at all. You want to do things for your spouse and stuff, which is not bad at all. But I want you to understand. I want you to really pay attention this week to take care of yourself. If you do not take care of yourself, no one will do that for you. I am telling, and I'm speaking from experience. A lot of people they are stressed. A lot of people they quit whatever they want to do because they never took a break and really focus on themselves. This week, for the rest of this year, I want you to schedule time apart, either to exercise. What is that thing, that activity you always wanted to do? What it is sewing, what it is cooking, what is singing, what is dancing, what is whatever thing that you want, learning a new skill. It is time for you to set time apart just for that. It's not about money. It's not about, remember, it's all about the intention. You really have to be intentional, and you really have to make a strict schedule just for that thing to happen. It is crucial. It's all about you. What are the results when you really take care of yourself? You are more creative. You are happier. You deliver best. You're really there for those people who really need you. It is so important. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Do that thing that makes you happy. If it's traveling, I also love to travel. Anytime I come back from a trip, I am happier, I am healthier, I am balanced, I am rejuvenated. I am just another person, because again, I change environment, and it's sometimes crucial. That's what I like to do when I take care of myself. When I take a trip, when I go on a conference, when I go on whatever personal development course, whatever I do, that is coming outside of my regular environment, that is coming outside of my regular routine, because we fell in the routine. And anytime you fell into your routine, I am telling you, even your brain will be stuck. Even your mind, your body will be stiff, because you'll be doing the same thing over and over. You might start by changing activity that you're doing. You might be, maybe every day after church you go to the mall, or every day after church you go eat. You can change something. Instead of going to eat, why don't you buy a pizza and go at the park and then eat a pizza with your family? I've done that before. It's so great. The kids are playing, they're sitting, you can read your book, you can be playing with them, you can be having a family time together. Why don't you try something new? When was the last time you really tried something new? When was the last time you really tried something exciting? I challenge you this month to really try something new, to really take good care of yourself. It is so important. It is so crucial. That sleep that you need, find time to sleep. Find time to listen to that good music. Find time to go to that concert. Find time to go take that makeup class. Whatever that you wish for. It's all about making yourself happy first. It is not being selfish. It is loving yourself, because that's what God said. Love yourself. Love your neighbor. That's what you do. That's all you do, guys. I'm inviting you this week to do that. I am inviting you this week to do that. And guess what? I have a program that I've created that's called Mind Shift, where I really teach you to shift all the environment in order for you to recreate the harmony missing yourself. We talk about the different relationships with yourself, with the universe, with the creator, and all of that, guys. 4 weeks of the program. I'm going to be posting the link here. It's going to be in English, and I also offer that same information in that same class in French. It's going to be a 4-week full-time intensive, guys. I'm inviting you to sign up, okay, on the link, and I see you on, the class, on the program. Have a blessed rest of the week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And tell me, before you go, how are you planning to take care of yourself this week, this month? When are you scheduling? Are you scheduling? You need to schedule. You need to set your schedule, set a time apart, and block time on your calendar. No matter what, that's my time. Either go watch a movie, do something that you really like for you. Okay? Tell me what you're going to do for yourself today. Have a blessed week, until we see you again. Bye-bye.